I don't know. The world tour, you see it? With the everywhere. All boat, east, west, north, south. You see me? With the all boat. You hear that? No doubt. What am I talking about? Watch your road. You see me? See, they don't know large up. You see me? Stay soft. You see me? They don't know Rastafari. You hear that? In Selassie I live forever. You hear that?
Give me something, Turkey.
Yo. This information, it pertains multiplication, racial in relation to life and its formation, germination, propagation of former generation, observation of creation in worldwide population. Hear my explanation, without no accusation, these are not no allegations, nor mischievous perpetration. My interpretation, self-explanation, telling me that this whole world is in need of some sanitation. No hesitation, it gives me education. I must use my meditation along with my dedication, force my education along with determination to acquire my aspiration and fulfill my destination. Here's the situation, without no preservation, we need unity, peace, equality, and some liberation. Can't stand the separation, segregation, isolation, devastation, deviation of these denominations. This on this occasion is surely my obligation to carry out the operation and to make my delegation. Report my commentation with this rap orientation. As you know, everyone has a way of getting to salvation. I need this information to get worldwide publication in the TV, video, cable, papers, and the radio station. So you catch my penetration, feel my new vibration, admire my sensation, relate to my frustration. Information to be swayed across the nation, to the Asians, the Malaysians, and even the Caucasians, Chinese and Koreans, Trinidadians and Tobaccans, Canadians and Jamaicans, all United Nations. Life is on probation, truth, real imitation, ain't no lies or social lies with your social association. Your results will be temptation, molestation, provocation, complication, crimination of these world violations. Further observation should not no speculation, critical discrimination, my daily tribulation, facial presentation, desecration, suffocation, as to with some term to add sophistication. No gesticulation, you can hear my designation in my further illustration, all about unification. Unification.
Yeah.
Hey yo, hey look, I wanna be so dominant, standing up so prominent, using all my stamina to stand up my abdomen. When I'm done denominate, I'm gonna be a nominee. My enemies will lamentate, my music will collaborate, my people will constabulate. Ain't lying that's abominate, keep lying that contaminates. Human vote collaborate. See, there's nothing guiding me, no guilty conscience riding me. See, I got no pride in me. Yo, here's another side of me. Wanna have dominion, I need no more opinion. I need to make 1 million or even over 1 billion, New Zealand or this.